are a business person, or you have a blog and you want to scale up your business, or you want to bring more traffic to your business, and for that reason you need a sales funnel. But the problem is that there are a host of different softwares, sales funnel software available in the market, but those are not compatible with WordPress. So if you want to work with a sales funnel software but staying within WordPress, then there are only few options. Among that options, Cartflow is a software that has come up over the last few years, and Cartflow is doing very good. I have personally used Cartflow and I am still using Cartflow, and it's very easy and simple to use. It fits in with your, it's very much compatible with your WordPress environment. It works with WordPress and WooCommerce, so you get the entire host of things that you are doing in WordPress. Along with that, you can build a beautiful, you can build multiple and beautiful sales funnels. So today in this video, stay with me till end and I'll show you how I built sales funnels in Cartflow, and I built it within maybe half an hour. I built Today in this video, I'll teach you how to create sales funnel easily with the help of Cartflows. So Cartflow work only with WordPress and WooCommerce. So you will have to work in an environment where you have WordPress installed and also WooCommerce installed on the WordPress. Along with that, Cartflow will help you create the funnels. Now, before I show you how you can create sales funnel with the help of Cartflow, I'll show you a real funnel that's working with Cartflow. So here's a sales funnel that I have already created for one of my clients, and this client has a business, has an e-commerce business in garments, women's garment, and because I am from India, so this client is also from India, and you are the dress material that you are seeing is for Indian women. So whatever it may be, but the bottom line is that it's a sales funnel for garments, women's garments. So here's a landing page. Along with that, this is also a cart page. So once the target audience or traffic lands on this page, he goes through the page, and usually has to be some sort of attractions in the page, good things about the product, and once he is motivated enough, he or she will try to buy the product. So let's fill up the form and let's go ahead and buy the product. So I'll fill up the form quickly. So I'll have to choose a color maybe, and then a variant. So I'll choose XL size, and then I say I'll buy one product only, and this product value is 749 rupees in Indian rupees, and this offer price is for one time and it's 525 rupees. So I'll buy this product, and when I buy this product, I land up on the payment page, and once I do the payment, let's say I go for cash on delivery, and I make the payment, and I move forward to the next page, and this is the upsell. So it's saying that you can also buy this, you can also buy this ladies pant, and there are pictures of the pant, and you can go and buy this one, and it cost you 499 rupees, which is also priced at 749 rupees, but right now it's available at the discount. So I'll say okay, I'll buy this one also, and I choose the size, I choose the color, and I put it on add to cart. So it automatically goes to the next page. So here's another upsell, so here's another product. So I say no, I don't want to buy anything else, so I say I'll skip it. So then last maybe another offer, so I say okay, this sounds good, it looks good, I'll buy this one also. So I go and add it to my cart or add it to my order, and it automatically gets billed. The entire products get billed to me, so I don't have to buy it again and again and fill up the information, fill up my information repeatedly. So this is a flow where I'll I'll populate my information only once, and the rest I'll get, I'll I'll be shown other products, and if I get motivated, I'll buy the product. By I mean the target audience. So this is how a sales funnel works. Yes, sales funnel is needs a bit of deep study. If you are familiar with sales funnel, you can understand what I say. But if you are very new to sales funnel, I suggest that you go through some books and some materials on YouTube and understand what sales funnels are really. And I'll also suggest that you can go through three of the most popular books that I have also read. And Russell Brunson is my mentor, and you can read his three books: the .com secrets, the expert secrets, and the traffic secrets. Those are the three books which can build up your basic understandings of sales funnel. Now let's jump into real working, how we can create sales funnel. So in this working, I'll be creating two sales funnel, two different type of sales funnels. So just for example, so there are different variants of sales funnel. So the most common are lead generation sales funnel, and so I'll create a squeeze page where I'll try to take the email ID of the target audience, and in that and in exchange I'll be offering them a free cheat sheet PDF download. In the second funnel, I'll be creating a real product, the one that I have shown you, kind of that kind of sales funnel. So let's get started. So here you have Cartflow installed as a plugin. It's a pro version. So here you have the home screen where you will have a dashboard. Then all those flows will be stacked here. This is one of the flow that I am already using. I've already created, and then there are settings and templates. So let's get started. So I'll add a new template and a new flow. Those sales funnels are coined as flow in Cartflows. So there are various templates here. So first flow, I'll be creating a squeeze page. So let's see which is the template that I can choose. So let's go with this one. This is a download an ebook. So this match to what I'll be doing. I'll also be uh, giving a free offer of downloadable PDF. So let's go with this one. So I'll import this one and let's name it. Let's name it free download. If So I'll be importing the funnel. It's a complete template that I can import to create my own funnel. I can I can also go with the scratch uh, from starting, but what's the point if I get everything made and I can do it fast? So why to start from the scratch? So here's the funnel downloaded. There are two pages. One is the download ebook and the other one is the thank you page. So let's see how does it look initially. So here's the landing page, and here is the thank you page. Now the other thing that I need to do is that you can see there, here it's stating that there is no product assigned. So uh, I'll have to add a product in WooCommerce. So let's say I name it downloadable PDF. Downloadable PDF. Just a small spelling mistake. So I'll have to select here virtual product and downloadable, and let's price it 0 because I'll be offering at free of cost. And because I have selected also download, so here is a file option that I can upload a PDF file. So let's search a PDF file which I can upload. Let me search something from my, I'll search it randomly. So here's something, ebook by Brent Callen. So let's upload it. This is only for an example that I'm showing you. So whatever I found, I have picked it up. So this was a book. It's a good book written by Brad Callen, and he has an automatic script software. So I also have subscribed to that software. So whatever may be the case. So this is the uh, ebook that I have downloaded, and let's name it copywriting. And the next thing I'll have to do is that I'll have to go to Cartflows. Here you have Cartflows, and you remember the name that I have given to the flow that we have already created in the Cartflows. And here I'll search for free download. Yeah, here it is. Here's the flow, and now I'll update it. And now I'll attach the product within the sales funnel, within this sales funnel. So here I come, and it was downloadable PDF, and here I'll select it and then save. So once it's done, I can check the funnel. In fact, I'll check the landing page, the opt-in page, and see how it looks. So here's the page, and here's the form that has to be filled up. So it's look fine, it's look cool. So next, let's go to the thank you page, and let's see how does it look. So here's the thank you page, and now what's left is I'll have to make the connections. So let's check it's all done automatically. So once a person fill ups the form in opt-in page, he directly goes to the thank you page. So let's see how this works and just recheck the connections. Yeah, I'll go to the opt-in page, and here I'll go to the setting. So you can see here, yeah, so everything looks good. So things looks good, and the connection is already there. Let me fill up some arbitrary name. Let's say this is John Joe, and let's say John. Let's check it once again. So it's done. So let's check in customers whether I have got the name or not. Here it is. Email John Doe. So now let's go to the other funnel. I'll create another funnel, and this time I'll sell something uh, physical something. I'll sell some, let's say I'll sell a book. So first of all, I'll have to create a funnel. So let's say I'll be selling a book. Let's see what is the best template that I can find to sell a book. This is an ebook. I don't want to sell an ebook. I want to sell a physical real book. So I don't find any book as such. So let's say I buy I buy this, let's say I buy this dog food um, template. Let's see how the this looks. Yeah, this looks, I think I can remake it, and this looks good. uh, this is the checkout page where I'll be creating my landing page as well as the cart, and then I'll go to the upsell and then downsell and then thank you page. Here I'll also create a order bump. And if you are not familiar with order bump, then let me show you an example. Order bump is something that when you buy something, and at the point of sale, if you purchase something, that is called order bump. So let me show you another example. So this is one of my clients, a funnel for one of my clients. So I'll show you how the order bump looks. So here's the landing page as well as the checkout page. So once we, so here's all as usual, and here's once we click the place order, we come here with the details of the order value, and then this is the order bump. So this is something that is more that is somehow less priced, but something of value that complements the original product. And if the client likes it, he or she can just click this product and the amount will get added. So this is called order bump. So let's get back to our funnel, and what I'll do is I'll create a funnel for books, and along with that I'll create an order. So here's it is. Here's what I intend to do. Let me show you. So I'll create a product, then order bump, then upsell, then downsell, and then thank you page. So here's something that I intend to do: a product page, that is the landing page or opt-in page, along with the cart and order bump, upsell, downsell, and thank you page. So in product page, I'll be selling a book. In the order bump, I'll selling the audio version. In the upsell, I'll be selling a workshop. In the downsell, I'll be selling, let's say, what can I sell? I'll sell a video course, and then thank you page. So uh, let's first create the funnel, and then we'll create the product. So here I'll select this one, and I'll import it, and I'll name it book funnel. Book funnel. So once I download the funnel structure, I'll go back and create the products. So here's the funnel. I have already downloaded it, and now I'll create the product. So I'll go to product, add products, and first I'll create the book, and I'll add some text. I'll create some random text.
and here also I'll give some text, and then I'll make it a simple product, and maybe I'll price it at $19 or maybe $7, and then I'll select the cart flows. I'll select the cart, and I'll, as you remember, the cart name was book funnel, BWK book, and here the book funnel is. So I'll save it or I'll publish it. Now the next product, as you remember, my next product will be the audio book, the audio version actually. So here I'll go and create the next product, and here the audio book, and again I'll give some lorem ipsum text, some random text, and let's say I price it at maybe $5, and then I'll create the other product, and this time I'll be creating a workshop. So again some lorem ipsum, and let's price it at $47. And then the other product that I'll be creating is video course. So it's video course. Again some lorem ipsum, so it's almost complete, but I left one thing, so let me add the cart flow. It's book funnel, and let's publish it. So now I have left one thing, otherwise it will not look good, so I'll add some pictures, images. So let me go to Canva, create some images for those products. So Canva is a wonderful software for designers. If you are not very professional, not highly professional, otherwise you should go for Photoshop or something like that. But in any other cases, there are a lot of social media experts I know who use Canva in a professional way, and Canva can be used uh, for all those purposes. So let me create some products. So I'll have to create 4 products. So let me create 4 placeholders. So now first product is a book. Let me search for something in called books. If I get something, yeah, maybe which one? Maybe this one. I'll just put random images so that I can show you something. So the next is audio version. Let me check if I can find something like audio book. So here it looks good. It's actually a fantastic audio book. So then I have a workshop. So yeah, there are good number of images for workshop. Let me select one. Which one? Maybe I'll go with this one. Yeah, yeah, that's it. So here the fourth one. What was the fourth one? The fourth one was a video course. Let me check if I can find something. Yeah, there is a video course. Go with this. So yeah, the 4 images are ready for me. So let me download it. I'll download it as JPG, and let me download it. So I'll save it in a zip file. So by default you will get the zip file only, and now I'll have to unzip it. So here are the zip files. Let me extract it. So here the zip files have been extracted. So here are the images. Let me just populate the product with those images. So number one is the video. This is the video course. It's already open. So let me insert the image. So here is the video course. Feature image is done. So let me go to the next one. First I'll insert the image for the book product. So here's the book, and let me insert the feature image, product image. So here's the product. Here's the product image, and it's done. You can see it's how easy and simple. Once you have the structure ready and once you are up and going, it will be just easy and simple going things. You just have to, okay, one thing is important. If you are building funnels for yourself or your client, it's important that you have the concept clear with you. I'll have other courses and other video materials where I'll teach you how to build up your concept about the sales funnel, and once you have a good concept about it, you can build very good funnels that will give good returns. So this cart funnel or any other funnel softwares are only softwares as long as you use it in the best possible way, but using it in the best possible way needs your experience and your technical knowledge. And if you get the proper technical knowledge, not only technical knowledge, if you get the proper conceptual knowledge, then only you can create good funnels, good sales funnels for your clients. So I think I have so this is left, workshop image for the workshop is left, so I'll just insert the workshop image. So here it is. So it's all done. Now I'll get back to the funnel builder, and I mean Cartflow, and I'll just tag the products with the proper page. So once I go to the flow, here is the book funnel. First of all, I'll add the products to the proper place. So in the checkout page, I'll add the book. product as the book and the order bump. So here the product is, and I'll add the book. So here is the book. So here is something that you can do. So let's say you have the product. This time I have created the product for the funnel, but let's say you have already have a book in your WooCommerce, and that book is priced at $30. But for the purpose of funnel, will be selling it at $7. So what you can do, you can create a discount here and say that I'll be offering a discount for if you are selling for $7, then you can say I'll be offering a discount for $23. But since we have already created the book for the exact price, that is $7, let it be like this, and let's save it. So now I'll add the order bump. So the order bump is the audio book. So let me name it. I'll name it as the audio, and let me add the product. So the product is audio book. Yeah, here it is. So I'll save it, and then I'll have to do a basic designing of the product. So here it's asking that how do I want this book to be displayed. So do you want it to be displayed with the image or not, or do you want the border style? So yes, I think borders are good, so I'll keep this border. And do you want a arrow to be shown? This is how the arrow is shown. It highlights the product, and this is also another good feature. It will start blinking. If I take the animation, it will start blinking, so that's good. So I do that, and then I'll save it, and then the content. I'll Automation is already added, and now if I want to add the image, yes, I want to add the image. So I'll select the image. This is the audiobook. Okay, that looks good, but what I want is that I want it to be on the top of the image, and it must be like this. So this usually the best practice is that we offer this as a one-time offer. The order bump or maybe upsell or downsell, those are also called OTO. It's one-time offer. It will not be shown the next time. Just to create the traction, the best practice is to offer it at a best price, and that should be one-time offer. So let's select it, and let's get back to the next page. Okay, before I go to the next page, one more thing, I'll have to check the connection also, whether it is going to the right place after. So here is the connection. So I think it's going to the right place. Okay, I'll have to switch on the order bump, and then I'll have to check one more thing. So next redirection button on the order bump, it has to go to the upsell. So here it is written, since I have taken the dog food template, so it's named this way, but I'll change it. Just hold on. So just a minute. So here's the book funnel. Let me change the names, otherwise it looks very weird, because I am creating a book funnel and it's named as on the name of dogs. Although I love dogs, but I don't think this is the right way of uh, naming a funnel or naming the funnel pages. So this one is this one is named as checkout page, so that's this. Okay, Now let me rename this one. So let me rename it upsell for, and what was upsell page, workshop. So let me name it upsell workshop. Let me add the product. So here is the product and it's good to go. And let me get back to and check it out once. Okay, the step title is upsell workshop and the step slug. So I'll change the slug, it doesn't sounds good, so I'll change it to workshop. So this is the redirection. So what I want is that this should go to the downsell, right? Whether I select it or I do not select it, in either way I'll be going to the downsell page. So now the downsell page, I'll also rename it. So the downsell page was, what was the offer? In the downsell page I was creating a video course, so I'll name it a downsell video. So now I'll add the product. So here it goes, and now let me check once. Yeah, I'll change this slug to video course. And the condition is from the downsell it will directly go to the thank you page, right? Whether I select it or not select it, either way it will go to the thank you page. So I can see the connections already made. I can check it here also. So from checkout page it goes to upsell, and in upsell either I select yes or I select no. Either way it goes to the video course, it's mentioned here. And in the downsell either I select yes or I select no, it goes to the thank you page. And thank you page is nothing to do more in thank you page. Now it's the, now let me check once. Okay, although the design is for dog food, but the overall structure has to be the same way. So once I fill up the form, it's already pre-filled. Let's check it. So I go to the next page, it's given $7, and if I select the order bump, yeah, it the $5 is added. And now I add cash on delivery, and I go to the upsell page. Let me check. Yes, I go to this upsell page, although it's showing dog food, but it's actually I'll be creating the workshop here. If I select yes or I select no, either way I'll go to the next page, which is the downsell page, and this one should be the video course. So whether I select yes or no, I'll go to the thank you page. So here it goes. So yeah, so this is the total bill amount: book, audiobook, workshop, video course, and I think I have missed the price of the video course, so it's showing 0. So let me check once what was the price I have quoted for the video course. Yeah, I think I have missed it. So let me give a price to the video course. So let me say that the video course is $27. So now if I do it again, it will show the right price for the products. And now the only thing, your funnel is already done. The only thing left is that designing. So I'll not go deep into the designing, but I'll show you the overall way of designing it. So designing is also very easy and simple. It's Cartflow has done a lot of things for the designing purpose. I'll show you a few tips and tricks. Uh, for the purpose of Cartflow, you can use any of the website builder. I have used here uh, Elementor. Elementor is um, one of the most popular website builder in the world. So I have used Elementor. You can also use Divi, or you can use Breezy or ThriveSuite or many other upcoming website builder which has compatibility with Cartflow. In fact, Cartflow has compatibility with most of the popular website builders. So let's start the designing part. So I'll go to Elementor. Here, here I go. So I have other courses on Elementor where I have shown how to design web design through Elementor. It's very simple drag and drop process, but there are a lot of bells and whistles also where you can improve the version. But for this purpose, I'll show you only the um, main tips and tricks how you can improve the cart flow portion. So here is the here how you can design it in Elementor. So if you want to change the headline, you can say that uh, the best selling book of 2021, and I'll change the image. I'll select the book, and so on and so forth. You can change those headlines and images and all those things, and it will look pretty fine. But what I want to show you is something else. So here in Elementor you will find a specific on this panel you will find a portion that is dedicated to the cart flow. So you will find all the buttons and everything that you can use in Cartflow. So here it is. So here you have the, sorry, let me check it once again. So here you have the checkout page. So this is the checkout portion. If you are starting from scratch, you can just let me show you once you can understand. If you start from scratch, you can create the checkout page on your own. So here you see I have just dragged and dropped the checkout, and it has created a checkout version for me. So if I was starting from the scratch, I would have done it this way. So let me delete it and let me go with it. So I'll show you the next part. So next is the upsell. So once I go to the Elementor, in the upsell or downsell, this one is beautiful. This is sort of psychology that once a customer buys a product, if you say thank you, he just withdraws from that portion because he thinks that his task is completed. But once you say bold and clear that you wait, your order is still in the process, and give it with this kind of visual effect, the customer thinks that I'll have to wait, and I'll have to wait till the order gets completed. So this is psychologically done, and I have seen it getting done in all the popular sales funnels. So here I'll also change the image. but I can do something else also. Let me check. I'll go to the cart flow portion. So here you see a lot of other buttons available here in the cart flow portion. So what I can do is that I can show the product image directly from here. So here is the workshop, this is the workshop funnel. So I'll delete the image here, and I just pull the uh, image from the Woocommerce. So here is the image from the Woocommerce. Let me uh, uh, let's say you want to bring the price also. So once you go to the upsell and downsell, it's very easy drag and drop kind of system. You can drag the things and your page will get created automatically. So let's say uh, I want to say that, yeah, I want to show the number of quantities that the client wants to buy. I can drag this quantity, but here it doesn't apply because he will buy only one audiobook at a time. Person will buy only one audiobook. So in case of other products that might apply, but this case it won't apply. I can add this add to cart or thanks not required, all those things, by just dragging and dropping. So the other thing that can be done is offer variation. So let's say I have I sell t-shirts. So I'll have 3 or 4 variant of t-shirt: large, medium, or in terms of size I may have large, medium, or super large, or in terms of color I may have white, blue, red. So if I bring these variations here, so I'll have different variations showing here, but since there is no variation for the audio workshop, so I'm not getting this. So this is a very easy drag and drop kind of thing that I can do, and then I'll change all those things, all those text and all those text and bullet points. In fact, the bullet points also I'll get it from the description itself. So how can I do that? It's very easy and simple. Offer product description. So here you see the entire lorem ipsum comes up. So if I have created the while creating the product, if I have created the bullet points there, it would have appeared here itself. So let me delete this one. So here is the description of the product. So that easy it is. So let me go to the next page, that is the downsell page, and in a similar way I can create the downsell page also. And here I'll create everything from drag and drop facility. So first of all, let me delete these things. Let me delete the description also. Let me show you how I can bring the description and all other things. So offer description, here is the description, and then I'll bring the image, product image. So here is the image, and rest I can change and change the price and all other things, and it's good to go. So here it is. I'll update it and it will get published. So last is the thank you page, and there's nothing much to do in the thank you page. It's just basic designing part, but still let me go to the thank you page and let's see what if there is anything that can be done. So here's the thank you page. Here's the bill will automatically get generated, and there's nothing much to do. You will have to change the images and the some text and nothing else, and maybe you will be changing the social media icons. So one thing that you can do in the thank you page is that if you have other funnels in your system, you can make a funnel hub in this place, so that after the person buys your product, he stays on your environment, on your website, and goes to any other funnel, or if you want, you can check out other products. So you can create a funnel hub in this portion. So that's it. Your funnel is ready, and let us check once how the funnel looks. And so here's the book funnel. So I'll go to the book funnel and I'll make one more order on the book funnel. So here I'll place the order. I go to the next page and click the order bump, audiobook. I place the order. I go to the upsell, and this is the workshop. I select the workshop. I go to the next page, and this is the video course. And that gets done. Yep. So this is the order page, and this gets done. This is the order amount, total order amount: one book $7, one audiobook $5, one workshop $47, one video course $27, total $86, and that's get done. Cool. Yep. So this is how you can create a funnel so easily. So in just a few might be less than an hour, I have created 2 funnels. So you can create a number of funnels here. The other best thing is that you can import and export funnels. So in the near future, I'll be offering few of the best uh, going funnels, the funnels that has over the years I have experienced that those funnels are doing good with my clients. I'll offer you free of cost. Just sit tight, I'll come up with those offer. But as of now, you can export those. Let's say I have 3 funnels, I'll export those 3 funnels, and I can do that this way once I have exported it. So I'll have those funnel exported, and this is one of the funnel, and I can also import those funnels. So once you import a funnel, it will get just your funnel will be ready to go live, unless you have to just tag the products with those funnels. Once the products are tagged with those funnels, it will be ready and live. So that's how you can create funnel. Thank you so much.